Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, entertainment and experience, and even some sports. Today on this Day of Love, we bring you our latest update on the construction progress at the upcoming Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas. That's Dallas-Fort Worth for you non-Texans. And I tell you, they are booking it as there are several new projects taking shape since our last update just 2 weeks ago. Fasten your seatbelt as we take flight this Valentine's Day. Let's go! Right off the bat, as we view the exterior of the hotel leading into the resort, we see new progress being made to the east wing of the hotel, as well as the continuation of the prefabbed walls being installed. If you look to the west side, you can see that the third floor is already completed. As we make our way north, heading left into the park in Trolls Land, we can see a new structure being formed that looks to be the Trolls Balloon Tower Rotational Kids Ride, as you can see here on the screen. As we continue through Trolls Land, progress continues to the Trolls Theater and Amphitheater attraction. As we head into the land of Shrek, we can see excavations starting on an elevated pathway. FYI, stairs will lead into Shrek from Trolls. Coming onto the screen is a new vertical skeleton of a pass-through structure that looks to be for a picnic and concession stand to get relief from the sun during the summer. Continuing with the theme of new structures, we see the form for which looks to be the base of a permanent stage area in the true north area of the park in Shrekland. Directly to the right of the proposed stage is the beginnings of a new swing ride similar to what you see at Disneyland or Six Flags, like the Silly Symphony swings. Entering Jurassic Land, as we pass over a crane, we see continued progress made to the Junior Coaster queue. Here in the northeast outer rim of the park, we see the continued development of two indoor Jurassic-themed attractions. The Spiral project pointed out here is a mystery, as it's not on the current art rendering. As we look west toward the Dallas North Tollway, you can see how prominent the Minions waterway is to the overall park. Also, take note of how flat the theme park is, which will speak into this new family-friendly park concept that Universal rolls out, and should calm some of the opponents of their worry about vertical privacy invasion. Maybe focus your time on the alien invasion that's coming. As we are greeted to the Minions land by our friend, hey! The waterway continues to take its permanent shape. Near the crane, you can see the warp flow area that will include a towering water spray, as well as a vertical structure interior of the land that will feature a gushing water tower that greets our patrons going across the flow. SpongeBob, you're slacking! Spend more time with us and give us updates and less time with Patrick, come on! Just like SpongeBob, we don't see a lot of updates to report from Gabby's Dollhouse. As noted in our last video, the area for the Trolls Junior Coaster has been outlined, but it remains in that stage at best. Come on, let's go! Well, that's a wrap, folks, on this Valentine's Day Universal Kids Resort update. As you may have noticed, the majority of the progress these last 2 weeks have been in the hotel's east wing, North Shrek, the Jurassic World Rim, and the Minions Waterway. Come back in 2 weeks as you bring me the end of February update as we head into March. Let's go!